Even heroes have the right to live and made it to start. Oh, what you gonna say? Even heroes have the right to dream, and it's not easy to be me. Hello po, Sir Lord Nonoy Lalosa at kay Sir Lord Sanderford at Ikuba. Thank you po sa pag-join nyo, guys. Hello po sa inyo lahat at kay Sir Lord Dadsky. Thank you po sa pag-share ng live. At kay Sir Lord Jose Luceno. Hello po, Sir Lord. At kay Sir Lord Sisi My Queen. Hello. Thank you po sa pag-join. At kay Sir Lord Adolf